Welcome to another vlog. So, hi. I got up, I took a walk, and I went to my local Starbucks and I got a coffee. So I got a little exercise in. Then I came home, had breakfast, my coffee, watched a little bit of TV. And then I did a workout on my Peloton. I went for a ride, did a quick ride, and got my second workout of the day in. And then I got dressed for the day after that. And now I'm actually headed to Target. I'm going to be in and out very quick because there's something I want to get on, and it's like a sale or a coupon I have, and it ends today. So I'm just grabbing that, and then I'm headed to the mall. So we're gonna do that. I just really need to get my look together, which is why I'm working out twice a day. So I want to go to the mall and get some like beauty products, some skincare, you know, get ready for spring, warmer weather, showing some skin. So I need to get my skin together. So you guys will see I'm going to the mall, but I'm not like shopping. I'm just like skincare and stuff. So let's get ready to get out of the car. You know, that's a process. So I wipe my hands down with my wipes. I double mask. I don't know if you guys are up on that, but I wear a surgical mask, plus like my makeup and everything ruins these masks. So I wear a surgical mask underneath. So I will see you in a minute. Alright, so at the mall I want to do some skincare, some body care stuff. So I want to go to Lush, maybe. Probably go to like Sephora, of course, Lush. My mall just opens up at Aseop, I think that's how you say it. I really love that store, so I might go in there and get something. I feel like it's time for a new fragrance because it's like spring. Maybe I might pick up a new fragrance, we'll see. So it's the next day, and I figured I'd pop on real quick and just share with you guys what I got yesterday at the mall and wrap up today's vlog. So the first thing I got was the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. This is the new Born This Way foundation. I got it in the color Chai. If you guys don't know already, the original Born This Way foundation is one of my favorite foundations, and of course I wanted to try the new matte formula. I prefer matte formulas because I have really oily skin, right? So this foundation is oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, transfer-resistant, and 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation. So obviously I want to try this out because I love the original formula. This version's matte, but really got me was the transfer resistant, because wearing makeup and then wearing a mask, so I'm really interested to try that out. So I'm going to be testing this foundation out, and I'll definitely come back with a review. I'm wearing it today. What else did I get? Oh, I got the Liquid Silk Canvas Primer by Tatcha. So I wanted to try that out, and I'll definitely be checking in and giving you guys my full review and thoughts about that. Yeah, I went to Aseop and I got the Resurrection Hand Balm. So it's just a hand balm in a tube, guys. I mean, I feel like I'm talking about moisturizing my hands in every video. It's the pandemic and constantly washing my hands and applying hand sanitizer. I'm actually going to keep this in my bathroom. Yeah, I'm going to just stand it up in my bathroom so I can remember to moisturize right after I wash my hands. And I have another moisturizer right at my bedside table. So I'm going to put this in my bathroom and I'm going to moisturize after every time I wash my hands. I went into Lush and I got face masks, but nothing new. Ooh, guys, I have to share the lip gloss I'm wearing today. I've been trying out products by Mented Cosmetics because I wanted to give you guys a full review. So I've been testing out some products. I have their stick foundation. This lip gloss, guys, I'm wearing it today. It's in the shade Berry Me, and it's like so good. Okay, let me just share this really quick. I personally am not a fan of wearing lip glosses because I don't like the sticky texture. I just sticky and gross and non-moisturizing, and also I wasn't getting a good color, like the color payoff. So I have like one other lip gloss that I wear by Pat McGrath, which is also really good, but this I got at Target. I'm gonna put the information below. I would recommend, if you're looking for some new lip glosses, is check these out. I think this is definitely gonna be my like spring summer lip gloss. Details below, so you guys be sure to check out my links below. I always link everything below for you guys. That's the best way. Like if there's something I'm talking about, most likely I have it, and I tell you guys I have it linked below. It just saves you, like you don't have to Google, like all the work is done. It's like a seamless, wow, you saw something, you liked it, you want to pick it up, hit the link. It takes you exactly to the product page where you can purchase it. I don't know if you're clicking on it, I'm not going to get notified. Sometimes I do get a small commission off certain purchases. And yeah, that helps me out a lot, guys, especially if you're going to purchase it anyways. It's not costing you anymore. It's not doing anything extra, but it's a way to support me. And like I said, the work's done for you. So just check out links below. If there's something in my videos that I'm talking about that you're interested in, it helps me out so much. All right, quick. I've been working on some content for you guys. I have some good stuff coming up, so just stay tuned. I did a little bit of kind of spring shopping, so there's some things I want to share with you, some reviews that I have coming up. You guys really liked my red lipstick video, so I'm going to do a nude lipstick video too. So definitely check that out, coming very, very soon. I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of Daily Harvest because, you know, I mentioned I'm trying to get into a routine with my exercise, fitness. I was like, okay, what am I going to do with my diet? And it's not about necessarily, I just want to eat healthier foods, right? I want to eat wholesome foods, lots more vegetables, and Daily Harvest has really helped me achieve that goal at a very reasonable price. Put all the information below, because if you're interested in trying out Daily Harvest, you can get $25 off with my code off your first order. Daily Harvest is a food delivery service, but they really specialize in really, really good foods like fruits, vegetables, and I mean, all of their dishes are so yummy. The thing about Daily Harvest, it says our food is built on organic whole fruits and vegetables. We work directly with our farmers to grow the best produce, harvest it at the right time, and freeze it at the source to lock in the amazing flavor and unmatched nutrition. So that's the key I would like about Daily Harvest. So the foods, they have smoothies, they have like harvest bowls, which are delicious. They have flatbreads, they have I said smoothies. They also have oat bowls, which I actually am getting oat bowl in my next order. I haven't tried one of those yet, but that's the key thing. These are frozen, so it's super easy to make a smoothie and just add, you can add, you know, water, you can add coconut milk. I've been adding almond milk. You just add almond milk. I use my magic bullet or your blender, and it's super easy. Like, everything's done for you. Same thing with the harvest bowls. You can cook them on the stovetop. I have been able to microwave them. It's just really super convenient to have super healthy, good for you foods readily available to eat. You don't have to worry about anything going bad, or you didn't eat it in enough time. Yeah, I can just pop it in the microwave. The only thing that I really have to cook in the oven are the flatbreads, but honestly guys, everything else is super easy. And I was looking for a food delivery service to test out, and I went with Daily Harvest because I felt like the value for what you're getting was the best for me as far as the pricing, because I feel like their pricing is really reasonable. Their recipes are super delicious. There's no prep on my end. That's been super convenient. And I definitely feel like if you're feeling a little bit in a slump, feeling a little down, or not feeling your best, I definitely recommend, as cliche as it sounds, take care of your body first. Take care of your body first. Get some movement, get some healthy food, drink lots of water, of course, and yeah, just pamper yourself. If you're interested in Daily Harvest, I am definitely loving it. I think it's totally worth it. I also like, you can customize your boxes. You can customize the amount of food you're gonna get, and also when. So you can do it monthly, you can do it weekly, you can do it every other week. Just remember to you can just schedule your deliveries. It's just awesome. So use my code if you'd like to test it out, and you get $25 off your first box. And yeah, really good and really worth it. And you know what, one thing I want to comment on, when it says frozen at the source, that's so true, because one of the harvest bowls that I had avocado in it, and I was like, how are these chunks of avocado gonna come out after they've been frozen? And then I've heated it up in the microwave, right? I'm like, I don't know about this avocado. And when I tell you, the avocado was super delicious and fresh, and guys, it still had that bite to it. I was amazed. All right guys, don't forget, I'm still running my Cartier giveaway, so please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe and join my online community. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, so that's it for this vlog, guys. Till next time.